My name is Danveer. I am studying in first standard B section in Varsha Matric High Secondary School, and I am going to explain about the parts of the body. Let me explore the human body parts which are located outside the body. Head. This is my head. The head is on top of the body. It has hair, ear, eyes, eyebrows, nose, and mouth. Neck. This is my neck. The neck joins head to the body. Arms. These are my arms. Help us to lift, hold, and carry heavy things. And I have 5 fingers in each hand. They help us to eat and